Determine the sum to n terms of the following series. Okay, let us begin. So here we have a series given by 1 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 4. This will be added to the second term, which is 2 multiplied to 3 multiplied to 7, added to 3 multiplied to 4 multiplied to 10, and then we have the rest of the terms. Now, to find out the sum of this series, we need to find out its nth term. So we will assume that Tn represents the nth term of the series. Then the nth term is going to be given by, so how do we find out the nth term of the series? So first we consider the first digit of each of the terms. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now clearly 1, 2, 3 and the remaining terms are going to be in arithmetic progression. If they are in arithmetic progression, we can define its nth term as equals to n. So that's going to be n. Then we're going to multiply it to the nth term of the second digit of each term. So if we consider the second digit of each term, we have 2, 3, 4. So we have 2, 3, 4. This goes on. So these are also in arithmetic progression. And clearly the nth term of this sequence, that's going to be given by n plus 1. So we're going to multiply n plus 1 with n. And then finally we take the third digit of each of the terms. So we have 4, 7, 10. So these are going to be in arithmetic progression, and the nth term of the sequence is going to be given by 3n plus 1. So we multiply it to n and n plus 1. Now this is going to be the nth term of the given series. So we can verify that this is indeed the nth term of the series. All we have to do is replace n with 1 to get t1 equals to 1 times 2 times 4. Okay, so now that we have tn, so let's simplify this. This is going to give us 3n cubed plus 4n squared plus n. So this is going to be the nth term of the series. Now that we have the nth term of the series, we'll try to find out the sum. The sum will be 1 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 4 added to 2 times 3 times 7 added to 3 times 4 times 10. This is going to continue. This can be written in the compact form as taking the summation of the nth term, but we are going to replace the index n with the index k. So here k is going to run from 1 to n. Now we use the value for tk. So tk is simply 3k cubed plus 4k squared plus k. All we have done is replace the index n with k. Now this should give us 3 multiplied to the summation k cubed. So here k is going to run from 1 to n. That will be added to 4 times summation k squared, where k goes from 1 to n, added to summation of k goes from 1 to n. Now we have a standard formula for each of the 3 sums. So here summation k cube, that's given by n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So square this value. So we have summation k squared, so that's given by n times n plus 1 multiplied to 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Then we have summation k, so that's equals to n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, let's use that. So we get 3 times n squared multiplied to n plus 1 whole squared divided by 4. Added to, we have 4 times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Added to n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So we're done with the sum. We can combine each of the 3 parts, and that I'm leaving as an exercise for you to try out. So this is going to be equals to n over 12 multiplied to n plus 1 multiplied to 9n squared plus 25n added to 14. So this is going to be the sum of the series. We had 1 times 2 times 4 added to 2 times 3 times 7 added to 3 times 4 times 10, and the rest of the terms up to n terms.